8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson compound interest. Now coming to the topic growth and depreciation. Growth बढ़ना, depreciation कम होना. ठीक है. Example 16. The present population of a town is 28,000. If the population increases, that is growth, at the rate of 5% per annum in the first year and 7% per annum in the second year, find the population after 2 years. So the present population कितना दिया है? It is a present population of the town is 28,000. So population सब रहेगा तो रुपीज सब लिखने का नहीं है. It is present population 28,000 and if the population increases at the rate of 5% per annum in the first year. So rate of increase in the first year. So we will take it as R1 is equal to 5% per annum, and in the second year, that is R2 is equal to 7% per annum. Find the population after 2 years. So time, that is N is equal to 2 years. So present population, and we are finding the population after 2 years. So if we take 28,000 as P and the population after 2 years as A, it's just like amount. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole power N. सेम फॉर्मूला यूज करने का है, लेकिन इधर पॉपुलेशन है सो रुपीज सब नहीं डालेंगे. सो प्रेजेंट पॉपुलेशन हम P लेंगे. रेट ऑफ इंक्रीज दैट इज रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट का वैसा होगा. सो फर्स्ट ईयर है इसके लिए R1, सेकेंड ईयर में R2. अलग अलग रेट दिया है इसके लिए R1 R2 लिखो. फिर टाइम कितना N, that is 2 years, and population after 2 years, let it be A, is equal to P into 1 plus R1 upon 100 and 1 plus R2 upon 100. उधर हम कैसे करते थे? 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N, मतलब 2 times. लेकिन इधर R1 R2 अलग है, इसके लिए अलग अलग फॉर्मूला 2 बार ऐसे लिखने का है. 1 plus R1 upon 100, 1 plus R2 upon 100. Hope you are clear. So 1 plus R upon 100 the whole power N लिखने के बदले में हम ऐसे 2 पार्ट में लिख रहे हैं. Now put the values. P क्या लिए हम? 28,000 into 1 plus R1 is 5 upon 100 and R2 is 1 plus 7 upon 100. Now 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. So it becomes 28,000 into, this is 1 plus 1 upon 20 means 20 plus 1, 21 upon 100 into 1 plus 7 upon 100. It becomes 100 plus 7, 107 upon 100. 2 0, 2 0 cancel. 1 0 and a 1 0 cancel. Now 28,000. Okay. it is sorry, here we have writing denominator is 20. I'm sorry. So 2 0 2 0 cancel, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 14s are. Now when you multiply 107 into 21 into 14, you get 31458. That is 31,458. Here I did a little bit mistake. 21 upon 20, it is not 100. Okay. So 1 0 1 0 cancel, 2 0 2 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2 14s are. So answer, population after 2 years is 31,458. Hope you are clear with the topic. Okay, in this growth and depreciation, the sums are solved like this. The population of the town was 62,500 2 years ago. Now it increased every year at the rate of 4% per annum and find its present population. 2 साल पहले का दिया है, अभी का पूछा है, तो क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट पॉपुलेशन 2 years ago of the town, 2 years ago, 2 साल पहले का है 62,500, उसको हम P लेंगे. Now rate of interest or rate of increase, it is, that is R, एक ही दिया है, so it is R is equal to 4% per annum. Now 2 years ago, so time, that is N is equal to 2 years. Now present population, 2 साल के बाद, है ना, 2 साल पहले का दिया है, अभी 2 साल के बाद, that is अभी का population, let it be A. P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. इधर अलग अलग नहीं आएगा क्योंकि दोनों साल में 4% per annum. So that is 62,500 into 1 plus 4 upon 100 the whole raised to 2. So it becomes 62500 into 4 1s are 4 25s are. So ये बनेगा 25 plus 1 26 by 25 into, फिर से 2 बार है ना, 26 by 25. आपको मालूम है 25 25s are 25 1s are, this is 25 25s are 625 and 2 zeros, 25 1s are and 25 1s are and 2 zeros. So 26 into 26 is 676 and 2 zeros. That means 67,600. Answer, the present population is 67,600. Are you clear with the topic? It was example 17. Now coming to example 18. Rajiv bought a car. Rajiv bought a car at rupees 1,75,000 if its value depreciates. Depreciates मतलब कम हुआ at the rate of 20% per annum, what will be its value after 3 years? Also find the total depreciation. So the car का actual cost 1,75,000 है और उसका रेट कम होता है 20% पर एनम, और 3 साल के बाद उसका वैल्यू कितना होगा और डेप्रिसिएशन कितना कम हुआ, टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन मतलब कितना कम हुआ, वो भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इनिशियल कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार. पहले क्या था, इनिशियल कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार इज इक्वल टू ₹1,75,000, that let it be P. The rate of depreciation is equal to R is equal to 20% per annum. How many years? Time, that is N is equal to 3 years. So they have asked the value of the car after 3 years. So cost of the car after 3 years, that is equal to A. Now A is equal to P into 1 plus नहीं आएगा. When it is depreciation, you have to subtract 1 minus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. If it is increase, you are adding. If it is depreciation, you have to subtract. Okay, sign changes. So now it is a 1,75,000 into 1 minus 20 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. So 21s are 25s are 100. So it becomes 1,75,000 into, now it is 5 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by 5 means 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 5. Again 4 upon 5. Again 4 upon 5. Why? It is 3 times. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 remains. So 5 5s are 25 and 3 zeros. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35 and 3 zeros. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5 and 2 remains. So 4s are 20 and 2 zeros. Now multiply 1400 into 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 1400 into 64, it will be 89600. That is 89,600. That is the cost of the car after 3 years. It is a cost. That is why you have to put rupees. Okay. Now find the total depreciation. So total depreciation कितना कम हो गया? So initial cost कितना है? ₹1,75,000 माइनस अभी उसका वैल्यू आएगा 89,600. दैट कम्स अप टू, लास्ट में 2 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here it will be 4. 4 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now here it is 6. 16 minus 8 is 8. So you get the total depreciation. कितना पैसा कम हो गया? 85,400. Hope you are clear with the topic. Here 1 plus r upon 100 के बदले में हम 1 minus r upon 100 लिखने का, if it is a depreciation. Hope you will remember. Now coming to the example 19. The value of the refrigerator which was purchased 2 years ago. 2 साल पहले हम खरीदे हैं, उसका वैल्यू डेप्रिशिएट हो गया. हमेशा कार या कोई भी चीज़, टीवी या फ्रिज, जब हम खरीदते हैं अगर उसको बेचने जाएंगे तो वो कम आपको पैसा मिलता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डेप्रिसिएशन. सो इट डेप्रिशिएट्स एट 12% पर एनम. सो पहले का वैल्यू दिया नहीं है, डेप्रिसिएशन का रेट दिया है. इफ इट्स प्रेजेंट वैल्यू, अभी का वैल्यू दिया है 9680. फॉर हाउ मच वॉज इट परचेज्ड, मतलब एक्चुअल पहले का प्राइस कितना है. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट यू विल राइट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटर. टू ईयर्स एगो, पहले कितना था मालूम नहीं है, लेट इट बी ₹P. नाउ रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन, रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन कितना दिया है, दैट इज R इज इक्वल टू 12% पर एनम. टाइम कितना साल है, 2 years. That is N is equal to 2 years. If its present value, so present value अभी का है, now it will be A, है ना. 2 साल पहले का दिया नहीं है, अभी का. इसके जैसे अभी का कितना दिया है, 9680. इधर A दिया है, P फाइंड आउट करने को बोले हैं. सो पुट द फॉर्मूला, A इज इक्वल टू P इंटू 1, डेप्रिसिएशन है, दैट इज वाई माइनस R अपॉन 100 द होल रेज टू N. सो दैट इज 9680 is equal to P into 1 minus 12 upon 100 the whole raised to 2. 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100. So 9680 is equal to P into, it will be 1 minus 3 upon 25. This becomes 25. 25 minus 3 upon 25 the whole raised to 2. That means P into 25 minus 3 is 22 upon 25, 2 times. Understood? This is a 9680. Now P is equal to 9680 into 25 goes to the numerator, 25 into 25 upon 22 into 22. Clear? Now 11 का टेबल में 22 11 का टेबल में जाएगा. सो ये चेक करो 11 का टेबल में जाएगा क्या, 9 plus 8 is 17 minus 6 is 11. So that means it is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 11, 8s are 88. So 8 remains, 8s are 88 and 0. Now 2 1s are 440. Now 22 1s are 22, 2s are 44, isn't it? So that means 20. 25 into 25, 625. 625 into 20, that becomes a rupees 12500, 12,500. Is it okay? So answer, the refrigerator was purchased at rupees 12,500. 2 साल पहले उसको लेने के वक्त उसका पैसा 12,500 था, अभी 9,680, बिकॉज 12% पर एनम डेप्रिसिएशन है. So all the 4 examples you have understood. First 2 were of a growth, second 2 examples, last 2 examples are of a depreciation. Okay, bye, thank you.